Hey, so just wanted to share with you a quick project, one that we've been in the process of deploying over the course of the last couple months, and it's come to fruition here recently. And we're looking to now scale that into multiple machines and everything. So I just want to show you what this is all about. So first, I'll show you the partner. So the partner is a company called Gary Plastic Packaging, and what they do is they build things out of plastic. They build containers, they build tchotchkes for trade shows, all kinds of different things. This is their website showing some of their products, but at their warehouses, they have these giant plastic mold machines. What you're seeing here is an example of one. They come in many different shapes and sizes, but massive machines that are pumping out products on a regular basis inside of these factories and warehouses. And what they really want to know is the runtime on these machines. They need to know how many units it's pumping out, because if it's supposed to pump out 100 a day and it's only doing 10, well, that's a problem, and they need to go inspect these machines. So after trying Wi-Fi solutions and trying to find, using different platforms and finding sensors and gateways and putting engineers on this to actually program the hardware, they finally found us, and we were able to deliver them a plug and play solution. And now in the beginning, it worked to an extent, but then there was some feedback about, hey, we need to tweak this, tweak that, and look that way. But because of the power of our front end app, and I'll show in a second, and because of the power of our device templates and our ability to configure and remotely change devices, we were able to get the solution exactly what they need. So the device we used was here. It's a dry contact device from Dragino, one of our partners. We programmed it, provisioned it specifically to work for the equipment based on information we got from the client. And this is an example of a dashboard. And what you can see here that it's able to show, and actually there's multiple dashboards, broken it down by shift 1, shift 2, and shift 3 as an example. But shift 1 here, we can see machine 14, shift 1, standard cycle 39 seconds, item code. That all means something to them. But on the dashboard, what we're getting from that Dragino device is the last reading on pulse counts, the expected number of pulses total, and also runtime based on hours for each of the machines. So how much runtime on this machine, how much runtime on this machine. There's an efficiency level that's being drawn from that. So through this device, and by modifying device templates and a configuration of the device, like if I go into the list view, this is the sensor that's being used to pull all that data into that dashboard. And if I open that up and then go into the device settings section, you can see all the different readings that are being displayed. And then there's some configuration parameters, like we just need to plug in a standard cycle time, actual cycle time, shift start time, shift end time, things like that for all the different shifts. So with these input values, we can then pull out runtime for that shift or runtime for the next shift and start to detect anomalies. So while this device can be used for hundreds, thousands of different use cases, we didn't do any programming on the device physically. We're able to just get the data, but because of the power of our device templates and being able to go in here and very quickly clone and make modifications to the way we're parsing the data, the way we're analyzing it, the compute that we're doing on it, we're then able to get, rather than just simple readings, we're able to actually deliver what's needed in the client, which is runtime, pulses, and cycles. So this is just one example of a great project that we've deployed recently. We've got thousands of these going on for all kinds. This is one industry. There's agriculture, there's smart buildings, there's people counting, leak detection, all kinds of different things. But this is one that we wanted to share and hopefully bring your projects to us that you have. We'd love to get on a call and assess how we can do something similar for you within our tools and services.